So what is going on, everyone? I'm Abbas with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Worldcoin money to your local account, and let us begin. So firstly, you're going to need to download this app. I'm going to be putting all the links in the description. So if you are doing this on phone, you're going to just have to download the app, but if you're using the PC, you're going to have to just go to their website. So what you're going to do after, what you're going to do is you're going to have to sign up for an account. So usually I think you'll be using your Google account if you're using your phone, and even on your PC, if you're logged in with your Gmail account, you're gonna have to sign in with your Gmail account, of course. So firstly, you're gonna have to go here to this icon that you see here. I think this will be the same procedures if you check on the browser on the PC, if you're doing this on PC. So you're gonna have to scroll down and go to the payment methods. This is the crucial thing that you need to first input before you withdraw this money to your local account. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go to the P2P payment methods and then go to add, and you're going to, I already have accounts here that the Airtel, maybe my Stanbic Bank account, and the Paywise. Maybe you can also add cheaper cash. I'll show you in a minute why it's better to have more than one payment method. So let me also add my MTN number here, where I can withdraw to my MTN account. So when you download these, according to the country that you are, it's just going to identify exactly which country you are. So it doesn't matter whether you're putting the country code of your number or not. So I think I already copied this. Let me just paste it and remove these +256. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. So usually I think they need to, like, okay, you're gonna have to, the passkey, you're gonna have to just go through the verification steps. Okay, I need to verify with my phone that I'm the owner trying to do this. Okay, so my number says I successfully added this number to the Binance account, so I can easily withdraw with this number, and it is in my name. So if you want to go ahead and add another one, you can go ahead and add another number if you have more than one, but I'm going to show you in a minute why you need this number. So the other thing is okay, so you have your money here, but you need to get it out. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here in your Binance account, and you are going to go to you're gonna come here to deposit, and you are going to type in the word WLD to bring you the world coin. Okay, so here you're gonna have to choose optimism, and just ignore this and just press OK. I haven't read even this before. If you have, please leave that comment in the description. I mean, just put that in the comments. Okay, so this is your wallet address of your Binance where you're going to be receiving the money. So you're going to go ahead and just copy this. Okay, so we are going to go back to the Worldcoin account, and then you're going to have to scroll down and click on this black Worldcoin card. Okay, so we have an option here that tells you to that prompts you to send. So you're gonna have to go to send here. Then you're gonna scroll down to sync contacts. You don't need this right now, but maybe in the future you'll have to maybe have friends that already have. If we can join a team and I want to send you money, I can just do that. So, but you're going to change. You're going to have to just choose the maybe later option, and you are going to paste your what is it here? You're going to paste your wallet address that you copied from the Binance and paste it here. Okay. Okay, so it's identified here, and what you're going to do is you're going to just click on it. Okay, so it's telling you confirm you're using Optimism. I understand that I can only withdraw. Okay, we know what's happening here. Just go ahead and press confirm. So here I'm going to be withdrawing all the money from my account. Oh, let me just go for $16 available. Okay, so let me go for 16.5. Let me leave just little money there, just to, you know, Okay, so let me go for 16.5, but I usually just withdraw everything because in case this thing goes down and you'll be regretting that maybe I lost my money. But let's pray this app just keeps running like not the others. Okay, let me go ahead and just press next. And okay, so it is telling me, okay, I'm sending this from you, and then this wallet will receive this amount. So there are no charges. You can see the transaction fees are 0, and now they're telling me to hold and send. So hold and send. Okay, so it's processing, and the good thing, it's already submitted. So go back to wallet. So when you go back to your wallet, it is going to appear like you still have this money, but you actually do not. So the moment it is transferred to my Binance account, it's going to reflect here that it has been transferred, and it will send me a message in my Binance account to show that I have received the money. I think you've seen before that I've had a balance of $43, but in a few minutes you're going to see that it is going to be increasing from the message I'm going to be receiving in a few minutes, and I'm going to be getting back after this message has been received. Okay, use deposit. Okay, so I'm getting a notification here. I think it's from Binance. Is it Worldcoin or Binance sending me this notification? Okay. Okay, new video. Okay, I've been notified at this. Okay, yeah, that is just an email. So in a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how much has been deposited to this account, and we shall proceed from there. Okay, so now you can see that my total balance has increased from $43 to 59 US dollars. And now if we go back to our Worldcoin account, now you can see that the money has actually been deducted and it is no longer in our Worldcoin wallet. Okay, so now the good thing about Binance, it can link to the local accounts that we have, like mobile money or cheaper cash, or even to your bank account. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to, so the first thing I do is I usually convert this money. So I want to convert this money from Worldcoin. I have this much that I've deposited. So you've deposited this kind of money and you want to convert it to USDT. So you want to convert it to this, and how much do you want to convert? I want to convert the maximum, so I go for the maximum and I just say preview conversion. Okay, so I'm converting 2.9 world coins and I'm receiving over 16 USDT, and I can say refresh and say we just convert before those seconds are done. So conversion successful, and we're going to be going back home. So next, what you're going to need to do is the final step that we need. You're going to have to come here and go to sell. So you're going to have to sell. So you have to make sure that the account you're using, let me show you something here. Okay, you have to make sure that the account you're using here, if you're selling, has to be in the country currency that you're using. So this is UGX, but if you're using USD and maybe you're in the US and the country where you are, you use a currency of USD, because that was where it has to be in the local currency that your country uses. Because usually if you have USD here and your country uses UGX, they're going to give you like buyers that do not do not receive, like they're going to give you options of banks that are not in your country, or other receiving options that do not apply to your country. But you have to come here to sell. And since how you do that is you go to the settings here. You're gonna have to go to settings here, and then still go to payment methods. Somehow the option has been removed from mine because I used to have USD, but I converted mine to UGX. So whenever I want to maybe send, I'm gonna be selling this money, but I want to withdraw all this money, so I'm gonna do 100%. You can do 25%, but usually the minimum has to be 15%. So what you're gonna do is you can do 50% or 75 or 100, but I want to withdraw all the money. I don't want to leave my money for all these guys. Okay, you're gonna have to go ahead and sell. Okay, so they're gonna give you an option of MTN, Airtel. Why? Because in the first place, I put MTN Mobile Money as my, my withdrawing platform. Okay, so we also have Airtel, we have Cheaper Cash, we have Momo. So you realize here, if you have more options of where you can withdraw your money, you're going to realize that there is a difference in the money that you are going to receive. Okay, so you can see that MTN here is doing much better because this is 229 and 720. It's like the difference of how many, like 200 shillings. Okay, if you look at Cheaper Cash here, it's actually down more than it used to be, but usually Cheaper Cash is usually what I use, but today I'm going to be withdrawing with, and there is a reason why I put in my MTN Mobile Money number so that I can show you that I can, like if you have more options, you can even withdraw at a cheaper price than you receive more money than other options. So let me go for MTN because it's on the top and it's already selected, or you can go ahead if you want to select here, or Cheaper Cash. If you don't have a Cheaper Cash account, I'm gonna have to share the link in the description and you download the app and then register. If you have any problems, you can let me know and I can help out through my WhatsApp. I'll be putting it at the end of the video. So you're gonna have to go there and you're gonna have to go to refresh, and then we're gonna have to confirm. System is busy, please try again later. Okay, confirm. Let me try Airtel. Okay, still having the same problem. Let me try Cheaper Cash. Oh my god, what is happening? Price validity for 22 seconds. What is happening here? So I've never encountered this problem here, but I'm gonna be coming back after I've gone past this stage. But you can see that when you click, it shows that now it has sent the money. So verify payment. Okay, so it's going to log into your payment account below, confirm. Okay, so I have to confirm that I have received this amount of money to my account. Okay, so immediately I check and the payment has been received. I'm going to have to just come here and confirm that the payment has been received. So okay. I'm gonna have to show you the amount of money that it has actually sent the money to my Airtel Money, which is the other account that I have. I have no idea why it did not send it to my MTN, but okay. I have to confirm that I have received the money, and I've received it 3 minutes ago. So you can see the money sent, verify payment. It's 229,848. Yes, and now I'm going to be showing you a picture of what this money that has been deposited to my Airtel account. Okay, I think this will do. Okay, so you can see that you can see the amount here. You can see the same amount that I had in my Binance account that is claimed to have been sent. Okay, you can see that deposit. This is like 3 minutes ago. It has been confirmed that I have received this money. Okay, so that is how you send. So I'm going to go ahead and verify payment received here. Confirm. Yes, I have received from the buyer. I have received and verified payment. Yep, and yep. Here I've received the payment here. Okay, we'll confirm, and that is how. So, okay, I'm the one confirming, and I need to check my balance here. Okay, let me see who is calling. Hello. In releasing, huh? Okay. Okay, so I got a call from this person that really sent this money. He told me to be faster in releasing, and it has been successfully sold to me. Set up verification methods. No, my verification of thumbnail. of fingerprint is just okay. So you can see that this has been confirmed that has been sent to my account. Okay, so that is how you transfer your Worldcoin money. That's how you transfer your Worldcoin money to your local accounts. So you've seen that I've received that money on my phone, so I can withdraw it anytime, or I can use it to buy my airtime or pay my bills or anything, or withdraw it with cash. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I appreciate you if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.